Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. Delay and change events can become hard to manage if not documented and communicated well. This can lead to increases in costs and further schedule delays. With Dashpivot's Delay Notice app, you can instantly capture details of potential delays and change events from the job site for immediate action, reducing potential impacts and keeping your project on track. Let's see how this works on Dashpivot. In Dashpivot, you can create a delay notice template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. Let's search at the top here for delay notice, and as you can see, we have a couple of options available. You can preview these formats before adding them into your workspace, and keep in mind that everything that you see here is fully customizable once added. Once it's in your account, you can start filling out these digital delay notices. Our standard template includes fields such as a date, various text boxes for project and delay information, delay type in the drop-down list. We have a section to add photos if it's applicable, a sketch, and a sign-off section at the end. There's also a yes/no question for corrective actions where if you answer yes, then there's a default table for you to then list out those actions. Once a form is saved, it will be shown in a workflow view divided by different columns like this. A workflow type of template progresses a form through various stages with automatic notifications to alert relevant parties at each stage. Forms advance to the next workflow stage through the approval signature fields within the template. So for example, if I come in here and sign this first reporter signature field and close, you'll see the form now moves to the next stage. These forms are then automatically compiled into a register where information from the forms are shown in a table format like this. You can filter down for specific forms using the filters available at the top of each column. Select the forms and then you'll be able to export these data as CSV or PDF. Editing the template format is easy. Dashpivot features a user-friendly drag-and-drop system for the template builder, allowing you to format your template to best suit your organization's needs. There are many different types of fields available to choose from. You can simply choose what you need, drag and drop it into the template builder in the middle, and then you can rearrange these as needed. To ensure that important and unique information is captured and not duplicated, fields can be excluded from form cloning and made required in the top left corner of each of the fields. And as you saw earlier, we also have what we call conditional logic, which can be applied to fields like yes/no questions and lists. In this case, when other is selected as the delay type, we then have another text field. We also have another one for the impact here and the corrective action at the end. You can also implement logic for the approval signatures to specify who can sign off at different stages. For example, the last approval signature here, you might want to make sure that their permission is strictly equal or higher than project member. So team controller team members cannot sign off or reset the workflow. This will give you greater control over your documents in terms of who is allowed to click on that sign button, and it can be unique for each of the signature field. Information captured can also be analyzed further using analytics available at both the home folder level and the individual team folders. For example, I've set up a ratio chart here to break down the delay notice forms by different workflow stages. This is to keep track of the status of the form and how many are sitting at different stages. If you attach photos to the delay notices, they can be found in the individual team folders in the Photos tab. Photo tags can then be created and applied for easy filtering when looking for specific images. GPS location can also be captured if you take these photos through the Dashpivot mobile app and if you have enabled the location settings. Should external parties need to be more involved, such as being able to view certain forms, sign off on the delay notices, or even just viewing photos, you can add them into the Users tab under the Visitors section. With this, you can control their permissions and access just like how you would for your internal teams. Delay notices can be created and submitted using our mobile or tablet app for easy access. The forms are organized just like on the web access. You can continue working on the existing delay notice or create a new one using that plus button. Photos can be taken directly on the mobile app or choose from your own device gallery. Once taken or uploaded, they can then be marked up to highlight certain details or annotate the image. Once done, you can also add description and apply photo tags for easy searching later on, as we saw earlier. Photo Stamp is also available, as you can see on the bottom left corner here, to display more information such as the date and time that the photo was taken. This can be changed in your mobile app settings. Once completed and you need to share this document with others right away, you don't need to go back to your computer to export it. Instead, you can click on that three-dot icon and send this as a PDF file via an email directly from the app. The mobile and tablet app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, Power BI, etc. using our integration product FlowSite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your delayed notices data from Dashpivot to your preferred data storage, analytics, or any other tools. Try Dashpivot for delayed notice today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.